Here's the room downstairs. And this is located sa Ubud. This is nice. Really nice room. May bathtub pa sila. Yeah! Oh, they have beer. Hi! My friends!
Siguro sabi niya, hindi mo kami bibidyoan, tutulungan niyo kami.
My friends! My friends from Thailand! See ya. Say hi. Hi muna. Hello. Aray ko.
Go inside. Gusto mo ba ako, eh?
Say hi. Bakit naman ayaw niyo picture?
Ito para ka natin, professional.
Thank you, Lord, for the food.
Sa food, di ba naman nasabi ko? Ano? Same with Filipino taste sila.
Medyo sila sa maang. Pero same yung ano ka rin din ito. Pasok sa panlasang Pinoy. Kapag wala na kayo.
Kala ko magpo-floating, tapos lumabugsa. Ano ba yun? Kala ka gano'n. Kala? Oo, tapos ikot. Ha?
Bakit pa jogging na yung sabi? Kaya ka pa nag-take up. Carmen!
We're here at Ubud Center. Yes, Ubud Center. We're still waiting. Ayun pa oras. Still waiting for our... Oh, Inglesera na naglaro na ako. Hindi tayo ganito. Salita. Ayun pala si Buddy. Hello. Call time is 6 of 7:07. Wala pa yung dalawa?
Wala pa. Naiwan.
Tatlo pa lang kami.
Nga natin kung naku.
Parang almanac.
Halika.
Kanin siya. Thank you.
Siyempre, ikaw naman makagula.
Bitag niya na lang ako.
Ay, okay na yun.
Puro kanin yung pagkain natin.
Tag mo na lang.
Yung
Saan ba tayo pupunta?
we are going to the Blue Door
Naghahanap tayo ng bar.
bar. Bakit naghanap ng bar?
Gusto magpakalasing ni Charles.
Bakit? Wala kang rason para magpahalas. Gusto lang natin ma-experience yung nightlife ng Ubo.
True.
Kasi for the next day, we'll be in
Sumilya? Friends.
the fence. Yeah, sa Canggu ba yun? Canggu, I think.
Oh, Charles.
So, yung Canggu. Mas buhay ang nightlife doon. So, sa Ubud,
Ano
so
dito?
far, wala.
Ewan ko.
Wala lang tayo dito.
Nature,
Oo.
experience, healing.
Yes, at ang kanilang street ay punong-puno ng kainan at clothes.
Oh,
So, kung wala kayong dinalang damit,
may bilihan
tour
dito.
guide naman. Tour guide naman tayo. Pero so far, lahat ng nakainan namin na food,
Masarap.
masarap.
Super sarap.
And I would say, affordable pa naman siya so far.
Affordable. Parang sa Pilipinas din.
Oo.
Mura lang ng konti. Pero masarap.
Ay,
Uy, wow.
ito rin, ang ganda rin na itong kainan na to.
What day it is?
Gutom daw ba tayo? Are we hungry? Ah, sorry.
Yes, we are hungry.
Yes, we are. Yeah.
Yeah. Saan tayo pupunta?
Hindi ko nga din alam kasi papunta natin. Where are we going? I don't know. They just bring me along.
Magtutour tayo with Agos. Magpapa-water blessing muna kami.
Ta-transition.
Our first stop for this tour. We're here at our first stop. Water blessing. Tirta Temple. Look. Nice. Ito ang ating first destination sa Eat, Pray, Love concept of this tour.
Where are you going?
Nasa Tirta Temple na tayo. Ang papablessing tayo para mabuhay tayo ng payapa.
Kasi kailangan natin yun. Can I leave you or something in the car anymore or no?
We're changed into a water blessing outfit. How was your water blessing? How was your water blessing?
Mine was good.
How about you? Sawadee ka? Yeah.
You want together of you?
Yes,
Sure. Together.
Naka-video.
How about you? How was your water blessing?
It was fun. I have lots of wishes and I hope matupad lahat.
It will come true. Everything we wish for. Ang ganda naman natin.
Kasi may araw.
Grabe naman.
Yeah. Take a picture.
Ay, take a picture.
Say hi muna, Agus.
Ay.
Let's go. Find the food. So normally when the luwak
Destination
eat the
two,
coffee, they
coffee
only eat the good quality
plantation.
coffee. So they know it because they smell it. And then also they select the good one from the tree by themselves from the tree.
So you use to smell.
Yeah. No, the animal they smell it to eat the good quality coffee.
Say hi.
Looking on the floor to find the food.
Welcome to my vlog.
Not a
Welcome
lot.
to my
From
vlog.
1,000 luwak, they only produce 1 kilogram of poop a day. Yeah. Well, yeah, we make chocolate with orange, with vanilla, and we also make chocolate with chili. Chili chocolate as well. Yeah. Later you can tasting everything. Yeah. Before you see the process later, you can tasting after you see the process. And for women, good to drink a pre-menstruation pain. And we're using a lot this for lose weight as well, the turmeric, yeah. And ginger very good for the stomach problem. We also combine with cinnamon and saffron. This is lemongrass, good for the sore throat. Yeah, this is cacao chocolate. Yeah, and then this is cinnamon, and then this is vanilla. Yeah, vanilla, and sell anywhere else. Yeah. So we're roasting until become brown like this. So 40 minutes. Now you can smell the coffee. Yeah, it must be roasting to get the smell from the coffee. Yeah, actually before roasting doesn't smell anything. Yeah, yeah. You like to smell coffee? Yeah. And then to make a powder, and the last process we save to make a fine powder. Yeah, because we process manual like this, so the quantity again is very small, but we can guarantee for the quality. So only in here we sell our coffee. Yeah, we not sell anywhere else. Lemongrass.
May
good for the
asim siya ng
sore throat,
konti.
yeah.
How about the spice tea?
Good for cancer. Cancer, anti-inflammatory, and for
Lemongrass
women to drink every menstruation. Menstruation.
Spicy.
Yeah, spice tea.
What is this for?
For cancer. But a lot more benefit. We already write on the package also. Yeah, if you buy later maybe.
Siguro, ayun lang. Ang anghang.
Tara nang baba.
Cheers.
Tara nang baba. Tara nang baba. Ginger is spicy, but good
anong
for stomach
mangosteen?
problem.
Can I have the mango?
Ay, mangosteen tea.
Ayaw
Ayun na.
ano.
For the next na yan.
Ayoko ng ginger tea.
Cheers. Okay.
Mangosteen.
Feeling ko magugustuhan ko siya. Ang sarap.
Gumuguhit.
Okay.
Hindi ko pala alam mo. Alam mo naman vodka yung masarap to.
Nakakatikim ka pa ba?
Yeah, that one good for cholesterol.
This one.
Yeah.
Giving jelly is. The
Mogo. Rosella and hibiscus.
for last
shot.
pan,
Ano yan? Parang bibili ako.
pandanus
Pandanus
tea.
tea.
Pandan.
Yan ang pampapasalubong ko.
Ay, ito.
Ay, taob lahat. Taob lahat.
Totoo?
Kaya na pala bibiling ko.
Pero tikman mo.
Ako yung ano,
Sarap. Avocado talaga.
Bibili ako na to.
tingnan nga natin kung totoo.
Tingnan natin. Ito na talaga yun. Oh.
Masarap siya pero I'm not a fan of pandan kasi.
Pero ang
Hindi mo ano, Bet?
Ang laki mo lang daw.
Ay, masarap to.
Masarap siya, pero
More, if you finish, we can taste chocolate after.
Yes.
Yeah.
That one I like.
Wait
Maybe
lang,
baka
pag-isipan
yun.
natin kung ano.
Maybe if you have to buy for pasalubong, you have to
feeling
remember
ko mag-iisang coffee
which
ako
one
sa
do you
isang
like
tea.
the best.
Ako
You
lahat.
have to remember.
One
Yeah.
of each.
Which one do you like the best? You write on your
Pero
phone,
mas
or
masarap
take a
yung
picture, you
Coconut
can
tsaka
do.
pandan. bibili.
Later, if up there also you can buy with card. Yeah, if you want to buy.
Masarap din kasi yung coconut. Buti na lang. Yung ginger.
Yeah, this is the tea, the benefit we already.
Ala, oo nga. Puro pala tayo akyat mamaya. This is a 10 minutes.
Me and my ass.
Ay, baga, trek. 10 minute trekking. At pang ilang minutes pa lang to. Girl, parang hindi kaya to ng tuhod ko. At ako'y nirarayuma na. Ang lamig ng tubig. Siyang ano, no, kainay na. Aww. Anong name ng restaurant, Charles?
Rice field.
Hala, parang hindi informative ang ating vlog. Ano po yan? Pancake yata siya.
Parang roti. Pancake. Chocolate.
Ito din na chocolate. Gusto ko lang kumain tayo dito sa gilid ng daan.
Sa gitna na.
Infused. Diba? Anong lasa? Yung texture niya. Diba?
Anong flavor to? Chocolate to. Sabi ko, what do you recommend for your first try? Sabi niya chocolate.
Ang sarap! Parang siyang may ano?
Ano may nut pa?
May nuts, oo.
6,000.
Oh, i-add mo yan.
Ay, ang daming utang. Ayan na, mga nag-aanuan na po. Mga nagsisigilan na po.
Mga millionaires naman kami dito.
Ang weird.
Kaibigan tayong matalik.
May paghawa. May paghawa.
Alam ko lang kung mahal mo.
Yay, picture.
Bibigyan ko.
We're here at
Ako mag-tour.
Kretya.
Sa tour coordinator ng pagsasama. Yes.
Can you...
Thank you.
Thanks po.
Payot na ni Rita.
Thank you, Jake.
Well, ate na to. Yung tama mong Kirby. Tara na daw.
Tapos pantay.
Yeah.
Where are we? Kretya. Nakita mo pala. We're here at Kretya.
At the corner with an
We're here at Kretya Ubud.
Liwanag ka kopi.
Tama ba yung binababaan natin? Ayan po mga eksena ngayon sa Kretya. Nakapila sa picture.
Sumaksis na!
Sumakses na. Ako nakapila pa. Nakapila pa ako sa picture. Po ang ating photographer. Ito po ang ating models. Yes, mom and dad. Hi to the vlog. We're here at water rafting. Ba't ganyan? Pero ba't parang hindi stable?
Parang metal.
Come on, go, ready?
Ayan, water rafting, Charles.
Daw, bang ibigay?
This one?
This one. Ay, saan kayo? Parang Jessica Soho. Documentary. This one.
Ayan, si Angelique hanggang dito late. Late pa din. Hanggang dito late. So, look at... Nasaan na tayo? Saan tayo dinadala ni Kuya? Te, matutuloy pa ba to? Nakakatakot naman.
Nakakatakot at nakakapagod.
True. Meron pala trekking. Baka 10 minutes din to ah. Look at the place. Nakakatakot naman. Sure ba tayo sa ating mga desisyon?
Tama pa ba to?
Tama pa ba to?
Group
Ang lakas ng alon, te. Hindi tayo mag-water raft. Oh my God! Oh my God! Ako malagulit ka! Ay! Sasailong mo ka. Forward! Pagkayang sila! Ay, sino ba? Wow, this is so beautiful. Say hi, Angelique. Hello, we're here.
Bawasan ko, tapos ganito. Hindi sa papahinga eh.
Ano ba naman trip to that?
Para mag-ano eh.
Mag-relax eh.
Ganda-ganda, mukha na akong tomboy.
Say hi muna, hi!
Naka-play yan.
We're already halfway our rafting. Brother, 1 hour. Ang bilis, hindi siya. Hi, ma. Stop over.
Hello, Pablito! Ma, buhay pa ako! Si AJ din buhay!
Hello, Choco Pau. Say hi!
Bibis kasi nagpapahingi.
Talagang good night after this. Forward! Forward! Paddle! Paddle!
Wow. Yung sigaw na nakakatakot. 1, 2, 3, go! 1, 2, 3, go! Ah! tayo say hi! Say hi! 1, 2, 3, go! Ah!
Unahan niyo! Wow! Wow! We're done! Thank you, Johnny!
Thank you!
Bye-bye! Sandals! Everyone is sandals! Sandals!
Thank you.
You too beautiful! Good morning. Off to Nusa Penida.
Get ready with us sa boat habang hilong-hilo ako.
Wala kami tulog pareho.
Mamaya pa siya magta-transport.
Ay, ang ganda nito, guys.
Bibili nga ako
And the
yung mga
shade
sa
of
yellow basket.
Karma. Okay.
Hindi natatanggal. Working late.
Cause I'm a singer.
Gender home health. The backbone of the company.
The tagapagmana ng Tender Health and Care.
Dami pangalan ng company niya.
We're using Happy Skin Lip Mountain. Happy Skin, baka naman.
Kaya nga, tsaka easy, oh.
Easy, oh.
Nothing is impossible. Ginising niyo ako, nandiyan na yung driver.
Ito nga, before nung ginigising pa kita. Ginigising ka na namin.
Oh, again, easy.
Easy, oh. Grabe. Sobrang loyal namin sa inyo. Wow. Magdadagat lang naman kami, pero
Actually, mamaya sigurado burado lahat.
may picture kami underwater. We're still slaying.
Dapat pag magpapakita ka sa manta race,
We're still glowing.
swimming with the manta race.
Saka makatuluyan pa naman yung mancha.
Kaya nga, baka ma-inlove sa akin yun.
Baka maiuwi ko pa yun.
Yung mo, pareho kami ng earrings.
Yeah! Ito na to.
Ito na yung finished product. Ito na yan namin.
Huwag na kayo umasa ng mas may igaganda pa dito.
Bye!
We're here at
Welcome to
Nusa
Katiklan!
Penida. Morning Island. Where are we?
Our way down to the cliff.
And what is the name of the beach?
I have, ano ba ito?
Diamond Beach. Ay, wait lang.
Sun high, beach time. Ooh yeah. Waves crash, we shine. Bright light, feel fine. Ooh yeah. Sunsets, all mine. Bare feet, warm sand. Yeah. Smiles click, hand in hand. Cool breeze, sundan. Good times, so grand. Dance, dance, turn up glow. Yeah. Feel the vibe, let it show. Dance, dance, let it flow. Summer days never slow. Ice cream, sweet taste. Cold drinks, no haste. Laughter, fun chase. Every day just ace. Ooh, now falls. Ooh, yeah. Stars spark, beach calls. Let's dance, stand tall.
Good morning! Pupuntahan na po namin sila Mickey.
Bulabugin mo yung ano.
Pwede ka di pagising yun. So, here's our accommodation for Nusa. And the name is Coco Resort Penida. And it's so good.
Day na tayo.
Hindi, gusto ko na umuwi.
Day.
Maputla na ako.
Pero maganda.
Tama. Ate ko, grabe naman.
Grabe ito, namumutla na ako.
Ate ko, magkasusuka. Wala tayong plastic. Say hi!
Mama Mel, I'm so sorry.
Welcome to Broken Beach. Oh, ito na yung isang broken.
Yung director
Oh.
nasaan, papakita ko.
Litong-lito na. Hindi na. Ang hectic kasi.
Day 6 na namin.
Pauwi na kami later.
We're here sa
Karanjang Valley. To buy pasalubong. Shopping area. Alam kung nasan tayo, sis. Nag-search lang ako ng shopping center. Look.
1,000.
Ano ba itong pinasukan natin, Rika? Sa mga dinala.
Sabi shopping, museum ano.
Bakit nasa maze na kami? Naka-maze na kami, oh.
Eh dito yung ano video. Ay, nakakatakot.
Sige nga, suotin mo.
Ang lakas na pang bata ka dyan.
Meron kaming Baltasar.